G'day, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron and here's my channel mascot, Mossy, the long-haired chihuahua. Quick video today guys. Today's going to be our March free giveaway, and if you remember a couple of months ago I made this little CNC drill vise which I machined at home on my DIY CNC milling machine using Autodesk Fusion 360. So it's been a while. I should have given this away a bit sooner, but I hadn't. Sit. He's playing up on camera just to annoy me. So today, using the YouTube comment generator, I'm going to tell you who won this little drill vise. Now there was two videos that I put up to make that vise. One was the CAD video, one was the CAM and CNC video. So using the YouTube comment generator, I found two names, and those two names are, first one is Gregory Tutin, and Gregory, you came up with the name for the CAD video, and for the CAM CNC video, the name that came up on the generator was Sam from CNC 4XR7. So what I've done guys, I've put your names into a hat, and we're going to draw one of those names today to find out who actually won our little vise. So here we go. Shuffle it around. Mossy, you want to pick the name out? Let it be known the Chihuahua has picked this one. Here we go. We'll open it up here. And it's you, Greg. So congratulations, Greg. You have won the CNC drill vise, mate. And I'll send you an email through YouTube and get your details off you, and I'll post it on over to you. Next month, guys, I'm going to be giving away the mill vise stop. So in April. So to win that, all you've got to do is go back through. There's 5 videos that I put up to make this. Anybody who commented on a video, you've entered into a chance to win it. So good luck, fingers crossed. There's still time to win that, don't forget. Now guys, if you live in Australia, there's a little event coming up in March. So on March the 13th in Sydney, I'm heading up from Melbourne, I'm flying up for the day. John Saunders from NYC CNC, I believe, is coming all the way over to Australia. He'll be staying in Sydney for a little while, and Autodesk Australia has set up a meet and greet with John, which will be good. I'll put the details for that down below. There's still maybe time to get a ticket for that. I think it's roughly a week and a half away. Yeah, so I actually, as you know, if you follow me guys, last year I went over to Vegas for the Autodesk University, which was really fantastic. And I actually had a chance to meet John over there, and hence why I've got the dog here today, John. So when I met John, I said, oh look mate, I think my dog is way cooler than your dog. And he goes, oh, what sort of dog you got? I said, it's a gun dog. And John, when I showed him a photo, laughed at me and said, mate, the only thing that dog will ever hunt is kiblets. And it's not true, is it mate? Okay, this is a face of a killer. Good on you guys, thanks for staying with us. Don't forget, make sure you comment to win this one next month, all right? Catch you later. Cheers.